Okay, today we learn about lesson 2 for the plane and lines in 3D. Okay, before that you need to revision this one, the Pythagoras Theorem, a square equal to b square plus c square, before you go to calculation of this chapter. Alright, for example, they give you a right angle triangle. If you want to find the hypotenuse here, if using plus, it means like b square plus c square and then square root it, and then you can find the length of PQ. If they ask you find the length of C or B here, we're using minus. Of course, it's a big number minus small number. Okay, like for example, and next one, before you go to calculation, you must know this one. Still remember how to find the SOHCAHTOA. Okay, sine, before that, for example, the length, the angle here, this is theta. Okay, in front the angle, we call it opposite, we put O. Okay, in front the 90 degree, we put H, hypotenuse. And then down here, we call it adjacent, we put A. Alright, you need to memorize SO. SO is sine, it means opposite over H. Cos is ca, A over H. And tangent is TOA, is O over A. Right, for example, they give you this number, all the length already they give you, and then they ask you find the tangent theta. As we know, tangent is TOA, is O over A. Okay, in front the theta here is O. In front the 90 degree, we put H, and this one will be A. Okay, tangent is O over A, right? So in front the angle is 3 over 4. This is the answer, 3 over 4. If they ask you find the angle, this tangent you need to move to right hand side, so become tangent -1. So how to find this one? You using your calculator, you press shift tangent and 3 over 4, and then you can get the angle. Alright guys, this is an example. For example, like shift tangent, okay, shift tangent is 3 over 4 and then equal. Yes, we don't use the decimal. Normally we use this minute. Okay, how to recognize this minute? Right, it's 36 degree 52 minutes. Okay, if here this number, if this number more than 30 or exactly 30, you need to round off, so become 53. But this one only 11, so the final answer will be 36 degree and 52 minutes. Okay, we continue. Okay, cos, if cos is ca is A over H, so A is 4, H is 5, so 4 over 5, and then you're using your calculator, shift cos, and then 4 over 5, and then you can get this answer. And then sine also, sine is O over H. Okay, before we go to the calculation of this chapter, you must know this SOHCAHTOA or trigonometry basic calculation. Okay, now we go back the chapter, right? For this equation, or we call it question, okay, they say they give you a cube, square base PQR as N is the midpoint of CR. Which one is N? Okay, this is N. midpoint is mean half, is mean here and here is the same, or we call it equal. All right, now they ask you name the angle between line PH and then the base of PQRS. Okay, which one is the base of PQRS here? This is the base. Last lesson is a lesson 1. You already learn how to find angle between the base, right? Okay, this is the base, and then line PH. Okay, which one is line PH? Oh, sorry, is it PN? Here is PN. This is the line of PN. So how to find the angle? For this question actually very easy. Exactly, you see the triangle stand on the base, the green color there. So the angle will be NPR is here. This is the angle. NPR is a right angle triangle. Okay. So the answer is NPR, or we can write it RPN also can. All right. Question number 2. Calculate the angle between line PN and then the base PQRS. Yes, they ask you find the angle here. They want the number. Okay. So here you need to write down. You draw the triangle here. Okay. And then okay, all right. They say this is the cube, right? So 6 cm here, also 6. Here also 6. Everything is 6. So how about n here? Because n is a midpoint, so half. So 3 here, and n are also 3 cm. So we write down 3 cm here. Okay, now is a problem here. How we find the length of this one? Okay, here is a 90 degree. Same also, we're using the Pythagoras Theorem. Just now we learned 6 here, 6 here. Okay, so how to find it? Okay, if you want to find the length of hypotenuse, you need to use plus. So 6 square plus 6 square here. 6 square plus 6 square, and then you square root it. So the answer will be square root 72. Better don't change to decimal, just keep it in square root or third. All right, after you find this length, so it means you complete all the information. Here is 72 and here is 3. Okay, now they ask you find the angle of this one. All right, in front the angle will be O, and then here will be A, and then here is H. According our information, we only can get O and A. So what is the trigonometry O over A? Is this a sine, cos, or tangent? Yes, it's a tangent. Normally this question is 90% if you're using tangent. Okay, like so because tangent is O over A, so 3 you put up here, square root square root 72 we put down here. And then don't forget the tangent, you need to move to right hand side. So you're using your calculator, shift tangent 3 over square root 72. And then you get the answer. The angle NPR is 90 degree and 28 minutes. Alright, next question. They say triangle BCF is a uniform cross section of prism, and ABCD is a horizontal rectangular base. Okay, and then they say identify and calculate the angle between AF and base ABCD. So you need to find the base of ABCD. You need to highlight it, ABCD. Okay, this is the base, and then you need to find line of AF. Okay, this is the line AF. Okay, line AF here, they want to find the angle between line AF and the base yellow here, yellow color. So you need to draw a triangle. Okay, so they want to find the angle here. So you need to draw a triangle. It's a right angle triangle. You want to find the angle here. Here is 8. Alright, the problem is here. How to find the length of here? Yes, you see the small triangle down here. You see the triangle here. So the triangle here is shaped, it look like this. Here is 12. And then here is 9. Now here is 90 degree. So how to find the length of the hypotenuse? Same also, we're using the Pythagoras Theorem. Here, 12 square plus 9 square, and then after square root you can get 15. It means here is 15 and here also 15. Alright, so this is the triangle we want to use. We want to find the angle of here. Okay, they ask you identify the angle, right? So the answer here is, first answer will be angle FAC. Is FAC, alright? And then after that, they ask you calculate the angle of FAC. So 8 and 15. In front the angle is O. In front the 90 degree will be H. And this one will be A. Okay, according the information, they only give you 8 and 15. So we're using formula O over A. So it's tangent also. It's tangent also. So 8 over 15 because it's O over A. And then shift tangent. Tangent you need to move to right hand side. Shift tangent 8 over 15. And then you get the final answer is 28 and 4 degree.